Greetings. Let us not waste our time comparing grimoires. Straight to business, I feel. My humble skills are at your disposal, my lord. I'm glad you are here, knight. We can work together. Welcome, masters. An agreement would be wise. After all, we both need to further our plans. There are possibilities here, yes. But first, we must negotiate.
Oh, I just thought of something really silly, really stupid. Candy cane.
Turn that into a candy
Yeah,
cane.
yeah.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this may turn into a Christmas necromancer.
Welcome to my abode, Greenskin. Does Mork, or is it Gork, bring you to me? A display of my power will get the respect I deserve. What could such powerful figures as yourselves want with me and my humble arts?
It's the one and only Eagle Double G. It's the one and only Eagle Double G.
There we go, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that really silly video. That was my first time ever painting Warhammer or Age of Sigmar. Just want to say thanks to Benji for setting the whole Secret Santa thing up. We had Benji, of course. We had Luke from Geek Gaming Scenics, Josh from the Pickle Jar, Elston from Elstonation, Colin Crazy Crafter, Oliver from Broadsword Gaming, and Dave from MS Paints, and me. And all of those guys have done videos that are coming out today as well. I've had a look at some of them and they're pretty funny, so make sure to check them out. All of the links for those videos are down below in the description. Before I go, guys, just want to say a massive thank you to my patrons, as always, for the support over the last year. Yeah, It's been a great year for me to actually get through the year, and you guys have been so supportive. And yeah, there's going to be some little updates coming out over Christmas on Patreon, but that's going to be my last YouTube video until the new year. But I've got some big things planned for January. So yeah, hope you guys have an awesome Christmas, and yeah, hopefully see you all in the new year. Cheers. Bye.